my boy. How you doing? Hi. Hey. How's your day been, bud? How your day been? I just started the day, Mommy. How are you? How are you? You are so handsome. You are so handsome, cat. Ooh-wee. Who's that handsome man? That is me. Hey, baby. Facebook family, YouTube family, Solarge family. So I wanted to hop on and do this really quick intro to a video that I did earlier in the day to show you how to express milk. But before I get to that, I wanted to show any breastfeeding moms that are looking for a healthier alternative, bra alternative that won't affect your milk ducts. These bras are called Tata towels. Okay. And I am actually wearing one now, and I'm going to show you how to put it on. These type of bras don't interfere with the ducts underneath like the wire bras that do. I'm going to show you now. Sorry about that. Okay, so as you can see, it goes around the back of the neck, okay, and you use this little string here and this little band to adjust it. Now the boobs go inside of the cups, and like I say, you just adjust it to what you want it to be. This one I'm wearing, I believe it's a medium. I got two sizes when I was pregnant, closer toward the end, maybe like week 34 or something like that, because my midwife, not my midwife, my herbal doctor had told me about them to help protect my ducts from getting trapped, or milk, getting trapped in places. And I'll admit, I was wearing all those wire bras and things before because, I didn't know anything else. I also wear, if I'm not wearing these, I will wear the half t-shirts. I bought a bunch of those. They're kind of not tight, but they will hold my breast pump or my breast pads to me, and I don't have to worry about them slipping. And I'll show them in another video. But they're just like half shirts. I just buy them, maybe a size a little smaller, kind of like a bra, and I wear them under any of my tops. Yeah, so that also will help your milk come in, because it's nothing trapping anything. What's up, guys? So as promised, this is a video showing you the type of shirts, bras that I use. They're like half tops. I also wear these types of shirts. They're like, they don't have any wires in them. They are like small to medium size, so that they hold my boobs in place, and the pads or my breast pump in place, so I don't have to worry about anything slipping. I definitely prefer this over anything else, so that I don't interrupt my milk ducts. That's why my milk comes out so rapid. Um, this is what I wear, guys. Like, really, I'm wearing one right now. This is one I'm wearing right now. So you see, I have the nipple pads on underneath it. It's easy for me to pull up and put my son on, and it's nothing tight under the bottom. You see what I'm saying? So the boob is able to be free at the bottom. All of this are ducks, as I talk about in my video. These grapevines fill up with milk, and you don't want to have them so that they can't get to capacity of whatever capacity. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also comment below. Peace.